We're gonna be doing some calabaza con pollo, some yellow squash. So we got some yellow squash, some chicken thighs, some corn, some white onion, about 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 Roma tomato, some garlic. We're gonna use about 2 cups of chicken broth, and then we got some seasoning, so pepper, ground cumin, and salt. Alright, we're gonna be putting some oil, and we're gonna be cooking the onions. Alright, Liam, we're gonna cook the onions for a minute. Keep on stirring. Alright, now we're gonna add the calabaza. Let's give it a mix, Liam. Mix. Stir the pot. Mix it. Good job. Alright, now we're gonna add a cup of chicken broth just to help out cook the calabaza. Now we're gonna add the garlic. And we're gonna add our seasoning, salt, pepper, and the cumin, ground cumin. And give everything a mix. We're gonna let this cook for a few minutes. Alright, about 8 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add our rest of ingredients. So we got some corn, and we're gonna add some of the cooked chicken thighs. And we're gonna grab our tomato, and we're gonna do our tomato sauce. We'll give it a stir. And then if you need to add more broth, you can add more broth if you like it more soupy. I think this is okay.